To reset paper trading in Tradingview, start by logging into your Tradingview account and navigating to the paper trading section. Paper trading is a simulated trading environment where you can practice trading with fake money, allowing you to test strategies and refine your skills without risking real capital. First, click on the Paper Trading tab, usually located at the top of the screen. Here, you will see your current paper trading balance and any open positions. To reset paper trading, click on the Settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear or cog symbol. In the Settings menu, look for the Reset option. This may be labeled as Reset Account or Restart Paper Trading. Click on this option to begin the reset process. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to reset your paper trading account, as this will erase all of your current positions and balance. Once you confirm, your paper trading account will be reset to its default state, with a new balance and no open positions. You can then start fresh, testing new strategies and refining your skills in a simulated environment. It is a good idea to reset your paper trading account periodically, as this allows you to start with a clean slate and test new ideas without being influenced by previous trades. Additionally, resetting paper trading can help you avoid overconfidence or emotional attachment to your trades, as you will be forced to start over and reevaluate your strategies. By following these steps, you can easily reset paper trading in Tradingview and continue to refine your trading skills in a simulated environment. Remember to use paper trading as a tool to learn and improve. And do not be afraid to reset and start fresh as needed.